Hi, welcome back to Active SEO Feed. This is Kaiser. Today, I'll show you how to track purchase event from your commerce or e-commerce website and send it to Google Analytics. But if you missed the previous video, please watch the previous video. Otherwise, you will not be able to understand this. Also, if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button. Okay, purchase event is a event when the user fill the order form and click the place order button, and when user clicked it, a event fired that is called purchase event. So purchase event asked for some additional variable rather than before, that is affiliation, coupon, currency, items, transaction ID, shipping, tax, value, this all. So we will create this variable. First, let's see how the data layer looks like of purchase event. So doing this, I have to put a name. So I am putting a name, that is Ray Johnson, country US, town Texas, state Texas, Texas City, zip code, okay, phone number and email address, user at Active SEO Feed. I mean, I am placing a order as a customer. Okay, now the payment method, I choose cash on delivery. Okay, click place order. Look what happens here. The purchase event has been fired. So the event name is purchase and the data layer look like this. So let's create the variable first. So go to variables, under user defined variable, click new, and the first variable we will click affiliation. So the naming will be DLVGA4 e-commerce affiliation. Okay, and the variable is data layer variable, and variable name is affiliation. It is under e-commerce. Okay, affiliation. So it will be e-commerce dot affiliation. I am just making a copy in my Google Sheet for future use. Okay, now click save button, and the second variable we need is transaction ID. So again click user defined variable, new variable, and the variable type should be data layer variable, and e-commerce e-commerce dot here transaction ID it is. Remember that while making copy and paste, please cross check it, otherwise it will not work. Okay, now click save, and there is TLB04 e-commerce shipping, new, data layer, and it is under shipping here. Shipping means actually shipping cost. Okay, e-commerce, sorry, spelling is very important in this case. E-commerce dot shipping is your WMERC. Okay, and the last one is tax. So clicking it save, and new v data layer variable text is here under e-commerce dot text. So e-commerce dot text. Now click save. E-commerce dot text. Okay. Now we have to create a trigger. The trigger name will be GA4 purchase trigger, and the trigger will be fired when event name will be purchase. Now you have to create the tag, and it is the final step. So create new tag. Tag name will be GA4 purchase tag. Purchase tag. And the tag type will be Google Analytics event, and measurement ID is under GA4 measurement ID. Event name is purchase and event parameter. Okay. Okay, the first parameter is affiliation DLV 04 affiliation. Then coupon, we don't have any coupon. Currency DLV currency. Items DLV items. Then হচ্ছে transaction ID DLV transaction ID shipping DLV shipping. Then tax DLV tax, and the last one is value, that is DLV value. Okay, and the final step is to set the trigger, that is purchase trigger, and click save button. I'm closing the old debugger. Okay, everything looks good. Now click the submit button. Edit purchase tag. Now click the publish button. Basically, publish button means you have made the change on live server. Until you press the publish button, it will not be applied on live site. Okay, now click the preview button to test it. Click connect. First, I will add to cart this one, then I will click this one. Anyway, if you need any help regarding digital marketing or web development, you may hire me. My contact details will be under the video description. Okay, now I will click the view cart and proceed to check out. Look here, every tag has been firing. So everything is here, and the final step is click place order. Okay, the purchase tag has been fired and it has the variable we have passed, that is affiliation is empty, currency items in this time two items, shipping cost $10, no tax, transaction ID 9868. Okay, transaction ID is order number actually 9868. Okay, these were the major events of a e-commerce website that should be tracked using analytics, so that analytics can track the user behavior and help you to make a decision for making ads or targeting audience. So, bye for today. Thank you.